Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to find the area of parallelogram. So the area of parallelogram is given by the formula area is equal to base times height. Difference between parallelogram and rectangle is in rectangle the height is given by the breadth of the rectangle as it is perpendicular to the base. In case of parallelogram, we need to find the height of the parallelogram. To find the height of any figure, we should know that it is perpendicular to the base of the figure. In the following figures, we have been given the height of the shape which is perpendicular to the base. So here in the first case or in the first picture, of the parallelogram is given as 7 centimeters and its height as 4 centimeters. The area of the above shape will become 7 centimeters times 4 centimeters, which is equal to 28 centimeters square. So this is our final answer. Now let's solve one more example by using the formula. Here in shape B, the base of the parallelogram is given as 5 centimeters and its height as 3 centimeters. So the area will become 5 centimeters times 3 centimeters. So the area of the parallelogram is equal to 15 centimeter square or 15 square centimeters. In case of parallelogram, you need to take care of the fact that you should not take the breadth as the height of the parallelogram. The height of the parallelogram is calculated by the perpendicular which is dropped from the vertex to the base of the parallelogram. In example C, base is given as 2.5 centimeters and height as 3.5 centimeters. So area will become 2.5 centimeters times 3.5 centimeters, which comes out to be 8.75 square centimeter. So this is our final answer. So by using the formula area is equal to base times height, you can find the area of any parallelogram. But you need to take care of the fact that the height of the parallelogram is not its breadth, it's the perpendicular which is dropped from vertex to the base of the parallelogram. I hope this is helpful to you. Thanks for watching.